So we're going to start out with a F major 7, index finger, first fret of B, middle finger, second fret of G, ring finger, third fret of D. And you're going to pluck with your thumb, or sorry, pluck with your ring finger on the B, then D, then G. Then we're going to play a G7. So index finger bars across third fret of all the strings, middle finger sets down fourth fret of G, ring finger, fifth fret of A. So you've got so you got, alright, then you're going to do that same shape as you did for the F major 7, but up on the third fret, index finger, third fret of B, middle finger, fourth fret of G, ring finger, fifth fret of D, again B string, D string, G, then A7. Index finger bars across fifth fret, middle finger sets down sixth fret of G, ring finger, seventh fret of A. Alright, so we got then we get into the strum pattern for the verses. So I was thinking so it's the same chords, but I'm doing a down and then a chuck. Down, chuck, and then switch. And then you go up, up, and then another chuck. So you got. Then you're going to go to the G, it's a G shape, but leave that high E open. Same strum pattern. So we got all right, now the chorus we got D7, index finger bars across, 5th fret A through high E, middle finger sets down 6th fret of B, ring finger 7th fret of D. So we're going to do the same strum pattern, down and a chuck. Then you're going to go to G minor 7. So index finger bars across all the strings 3rd fret, ring finger sets down 5th fret of A. And you're going to go up, up, and then another chuck there. So you got. All right. Now we got to go to this chord. So I don't know, I can't remember the name of this one. I used to play it a lot when I played more jazz. So index finger, 7th fret of A, ring finger, 8th fret of D, middle finger, 7th fret of G, pinky, 8th fret of B. Then we got to go to A7 again, like we did in the intro. So we got all right. So I hope this lesson was helpful. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe and the notification bell. Help me out with the algorithm, and I'll see you on the next video.